Hi everyone. I'll bring you a little update on what's going on around here today. Seeing that I got all the ice and stuff kicked out of the backyard. But my window, I don't know if I told you, when it rains it pours. My window fell off its track, so I got to take this door panel off today and see if I can't get it back on its track or what's going on in there. And yeah, I got my snowblower back after everything's done. And I'll show you a little update on the fender of the Model T. It's getting there. Yeah. So it's a lot more stronger than the original one. Looks like I might have to, well, I got a few cracks and stuff I got to fix on this. I don't know if I'm going to strengthen that or not. But yeah, this one's tight as ever. So it's getting there. Of course, I'm getting a little warmth in here. Oh, remember those brakes I was telling you about? Well, here's the kit. Let me turn some lights on in here, hopefully. Alright. What happens is, you take the back wheel off. You've got these drums. Got these drums that go on the inner side of this wheel. Goes on the inside. You can see the bolt patterns, how they bolt up, they go over. And you got these brackets you got to hook up both to the rod in there that hooks that up. Then you got some brackets that mount to the back side of this frame. And supposedly, that's another time, but that's just an idea of what's going on. Here's the kit. Once again, here's the drums. These are all made to order. They're not on the shelf. You know, these are just made to order. And yeah, so let's get started on that door. I'm gonna need a 10mm wrench, a drill with a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, look at this mess in here, eh? But hey, I'm not concerned about the mess. Everything I do, just tools not being put back after you're done with them, because you never know when you're going to need them. I'll take it with me. I want to say thanks to Bruce. We'll see how that movie maker works out for me. Thanks again, Tough Dog. This stuff just eats me up, you know. I know it's still cold outside, and I was going to wait till it really warms up, but man, this stuff just eats at me, and I don't know how to control it, how to just to let go. So I'm going to get into this, and what I'll do is I got to take off that screw up there. Take this screw out, 10mm, take the handle off. Supposedly, 2 screws down here. Pop this out, unplug it. Unplug it, take the door panel off, and we'll see, and then you got that inner liner in there. After I get that off, I'll show you what's going on. I failed to mention, this is a 2002 Dodge Ram, 1500. It doesn't matter on the engine size. Now I gotta take the speaker out. Just look, try to save this weather stripping. Oh boy. Gotta unclip that. Once I get a screwdriver, take the speaker out. I'll bring you back when I get there. I usually have a tool that works to maybe strip this down, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't want to rip this, but maybe a heat gun in this cold might help. Let me work this and I'll get it down. Yes, it did come off the track. Well, the you can see right there, came off of there. I've got some 3M adhesive, but first I got to get this window back up. I don't know what's holding it in place, but I sure as heck don't want to drop it. So let me get it back up because it's only me, and tape it up. I'll show you that when I get to it. Alright, I got the window back up. It was just because it was off a line that was holding it up. Thank God it didn't fall. But I'm gonna take this 3M black weather strip adhesive and I'm gonna squirt it in these seams right here. And where's this one? Let's see. Oh boy, it's way back there, but I'll be able to reach it. And then I'll bring the window back up, and I'm going to leave it that way. It being that it's cold, I don't know how long it's going to take for this stuff to cure, or if it's even going to cure in this kind of weather. So I'm just going to leave it up, and hopefully, hopefully it does the job. Now we just put the door panel and everything back on in the reverse order, and we're good to go. Maybe the heat from the interior, I doubt it, will penetrate the door panel to maybe help cure that. I'm going to read the, now it's a good time to read the curing time on the glue and the temperatures. But yeah, let me put this stuff back together now. Yeah, I got the window back up, door panel, everything replaced. So I'm going to go check on the curing time on that sealant. Just did a little more to the fenders and did a little repair on this one. I think that's going to be it for today. And thanks for watching.